This is the Whitenoise sound machine. You receive one bass, one adapter cord that plugs into the wall and into the bass, and one sleeping mask. On the back of the machine, you have your headphone jack where you can listen to the music without someone else listening, and you have the plug adapter. When you plug it on, the red light comes on. These are your control buttons. And your center button, this is the power. This is your sound selection. Your up button, your down volume, and your timer. So we're going to turn it on. And it's going to start automatically in white noise. If you want to change it, you're going to push your sound control. And this is low. That's fan. This is high. And back low. On your timer, you have 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or continuous. It goes back to 30 minutes. You also have the option to turn it on and let it play, and it'll play 2 minutes per sound, or you can choose. So now I'm going to let you listen to all the sounds. This is Campfire. Rainforest. Birds. Windchime. Seagull. Ocean. Rain. Thunder. Wind. Typhoon. BrownNoise. Whitenoise. Fan. Bubble. Brook. And back to camping. That is your 15 sounds.